it's $1, but at the same time you can go overboard because it's $1. But you don't feel guilty if you don't like it because it's $1. Hey guys, it is Keisha from Keisha Knows Nothing or a little bit of something, and I am here today to share with you my Dollar Tree and Target spring haul. These are just items that I picked up to help bring in the spring season, which is my favorite season. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe, and at any point in time, thumbs up the video. That allows other people to see the video. So sharing is caring. Help a sister out, okay? Alright, so let's get started. I don't have as many items from Target as I do Dollar Tree, so let's just start with Target. I feel like the most used items in our kitchen is the towels and the pot holders and the oven mitts. So once a year I like to go in and just buy new ones. Even though we can wash the ones we have, and we do wash them throughout the year, I just feel like it's always good to have new ones, and they're fairly inexpensive. So at Target, in their dollar spot area, I found this cute pot holder and towel. It's got a rooster and a baby chick on it. I guess that's a chicken, not a rooster. Oh, well, there's a rooster, a chicken, and a baby chick. So I guess a rooster, a hen, and a baby chick. Let me get everything correct there. And I love this powder blue. Our kitchen is not powder blue. We don't really have anything powder blue in it, but I couldn't resist. I love this set. They have a couple other sets there, but I decided on this one. It was kind of more my style. The other thing I found was this short sleeve universal thread V-neck t-shirt. And the reason why I picked this up is because it was $2.40. Yes, I haven't worn this yet. I'm going to wash it first, but it was on clearance. Right now, they're having a sale on their V-neck short sleeve shirts. So if you happen to be watching this at this time, definitely go by there. I mean, spring, summer, you need you a short sleeve shirt. You need it. You need it, okay? So yeah, I know that this shirt is going to last me a good amount of time. This shirt is just a little bit, yes, it's lighter than the yellow I'm wearing right now. This yellow is more like a pow yellow, and this is more of a kind of a softer yellow, more subtle yellow. Okay, let's move on to the Dollar Tree, where everything is $1, which makes things, it's a gift and a curse, because at the same time it's $1, but at the same time you can go overboard because it's $1, but you don't feel guilty if you don't like it because it's $1. Now, you know, I already said that I have a thing for oven mitts and pot holders and towels for the kitchen. I couldn't resist this towel, Bloom Where You Are Planted, which I thought was a very cute saying. I'm going to go ahead and, I haven't taken it off its little hanger here, but I'll go ahead and unfold it all the way for you guys so you can see how big it is, just in case you are wondering. And yeah, Bloom Where You Are Planted. And I love the kind of vintage, old school bike with the basket on the front and the back, by the way. I love it. I love the colors. It's very spring. It's going to be a shame that I'm going to get this dirty with who knows what. But to go with that, they also have these pot holders. Same stain, the same print on the front. Turquoise on the back. Turquoise, kind of a bluish color on the back. I thought that was really pretty, and it's two for $1. And then of course they have the oven mitt, because Dollar Tree is really good about pairing things like that together. So you can get a whole set for less than $5. And this is the oven mitt, same saying on the front, same design. And then you have the solid color on the back. I love getting these from Dollar Tree, these solar lights. They work very well. The last time I got them, they were the all black ones, and I was going to get the all black ones this time. The first time I went to the store, I didn't see them. I only saw the silver. The second time, I didn't see the black ones until I was leaving, and so I just went ahead and got the silver, and I'm kind of glad I did, because the reason why I'm replacing these is because my husband has broken a few of them leaving and coming home, he doesn't see them, and he ends up football punting them across the yard. And so I think maybe the silver ones might work better just because they'll be easier for him to see. Yeah, I don't know. We'll try that and see if it works this season. Yeah, but these lights work very, very well, by the way. Even though they're $1, they work very well. So before you go to At Home or something like that to buy solar lights, think of these. If you end up kicking them and breaking them, do not worry. You can always buy new ones. So of course, flip-flop season is on its way, and you gotta get your feet right. Now these items aren't new items, but like I said, you gotta get your feet right. Spring, you want your sandals on, you want your toes out, and you gotta get rid of those dry, calloused feet. So this is the first time I've actually bought one of these before. I think Dollar Tree has had these for a very long time. But it's just the pod foot file, and pretty much it collects all of your dry skin, your dry flaky skin inside of it, and you just kind of scrape it, rub it along the bottom of your foot or whatever dry areas that you have, and it collects everything, and you can just dump everything all at once. You don't have to worry about a mess. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this because y'all, if you saw my feet right now, you would probably run. Another thing I got for my feet was this sugar coffee body scrub. I've never purchased the body scrub from Dollar Tree, so I don't really know what to expect. But I thought, you know what, for $1, why not try it out? And it's just going on my feet, so hopefully there's no problems. And let me tell you, it does smell like coffee, and it also kind of has a sweet smell, almost like brown sugar. It's like coffee, a little bit of brown sugar, maybe even a little bit of coconut oil, maybe, possibly. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and it is very granulated, so I'm sure it will do the trick at scrubbing away and sloughing away any of that dead skin, which will help for my feet. Also, this is just what I'm going to throw in there. I've never tried one of the Dollar Tree's nail polishes, to be honest with you. I just haven't. I've never tried them. But I just decided to purchase the super dry polish. Again, this is mainly for my feet. Does this super dry polish work? Let me know, because I have no idea. Also, an item that I have not purchased from Dollar Tree before are their fake lashes. I noticed that they started carrying fake lashes years ago, but the ones that they carried before were pretty Halloween store-ish to me, if that makes any sense. You know, just very plasticky looking, not very flattering to me. But I noticed that they now carry this brand. This is Tony 3D Faux Mink lashes, and mink lashes usually are supposed to be a lot softer, lighter. I want to feel them. Ooh, that is really soft, you guys. That is really, really soft. And so I decided to pick up some of these vinyl top liners. There already are liners in there, but they're kind of old, so I want to just toss those out, put in some new ones. And I bought these because they are non-stick, so I don't have to worry about them going on and then me trying to peel them off later. I am renting our home, so I don't have to worry about that later when it's time to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up, help a girl out. I just realized my shirt is matching my manicure. This was not intentional. It was not intentional at all. But hey, I'm springing it up. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.